Good evening, everyone. It is September 29th, 2017. We're here with another 10-buck break, 2017 Panini Origins Football 2-box break. Number 17. Random teams, 23 total spots. Let's roll the dice. We have a 4 and a 3, so lucky number 7 on the list of names and the teams 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th and final time. After 7 times, Joseph Johns, you're at the top. Daniel, you're at the bottom. Now 7 times on the list of teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th and final time. Eye to eye across the nation. Jaguars and Browns, top and bottom. James Brown was the GOAT too. Joseph Johns with the Jaguars, Colin with the Vikes, Brian with the Bears, Mike Tower with the Steelers, Daniel, you have the Bills-Packers combo, Anthony T with the Bucks, Daniel, you have the 49ers, Vic, Last Ball Mojo, Tennessee Titans, Jesse with the Eagles-Raiders combo, Brian with the Bengals, Jesse O, you have the Colts-Cardinals, Daniel, you have the Saints-Rams, Jesse with the Panthers, Joseph Johns, you have the Redskins-Falcons, Jesse O with the Chargers, Paul with the Broncos-Baltimore-Ravens combo, Big Boys 007 with the Chiefs, Jesse with the Lions-Patriots, Seahawks-Cowboys, Daniel, you have the Giants, Jesse with the Jets-Dolphins combo, Kevin with the Texans, and Daniel, you have the Cleveland Browns. Alright guys, I'll give you guys some time to make any trades if you guys would like. If not, we will start this break momentarily. And it is a fresh case as well, so we'll generate a number of box. Long day today. Alright, I'm assuming no trades. Trade window closed. Alright, well, we get that list ready and printed out. Here is the Origins case. Fresh case. Let's quickly pop it open. Tons and tons of boxes, guys. Can't wait for Sunday. Can't wait for Sunday, guys. Eagles Chargers. I think I might stalk the Eagles on Saturday, see where they're staying at. Alright, we'll quickly number these boxes. It's going to be kind of hard, but you guys can see it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So there you go. Let's generate 2 boxes. Right, here's the list of names. Good luck to everybody. Last Ball Mojo Titans. And it is a 2-box break. So we'll generate box numero 14. 14 is 1 box generated. Right there. And let's go one more. 11. Box 11. Right there. These boxes will be for future breaks. And I'll put up another one in the store once we get done with this. Alright. Alright, guys. Alex Smith, Jordan Reed. That is 158 of 299, Joe Flacco. And 71 of 150, Amari Cooper for the Raiders.
I feel like we could charge $50 for a gen. Basically, we want any money that you guys may have. We want you to put it in the
Alvin Kamara, 3-color relic. 76 of 175.
That might be a good compromise, Chris. I'll let the boss man know.
Actually, this is a 120. New Orleans Saints going to Daniel. And we have an Evan Ingram. 26 of 99. Silver ink. Giants going to Daniel as well. And we have a Cooper Cup. No numbering on that, but it is an Origins patch autograph.
That's usually, I don't know how the boss man, what he's thinking, but usually that's how, it's like you can't find.
Alright. So actually quickly just paste through these and top load them. Alright, next box. Alshon Jeffrey, Julio Jones, Golden Tape 44 of 299, and 120 of 150 Tyler Eifert. Mitch Trubisky. That is 69 of 199. Maybe starting very soon for the Chicago Bears. I don't know what they're waiting for, but very soon he will be. We have Amar Darba for the Seahawks. That is 5 of 99. Seahawks. So who had the Bears? Sorry, Bears. Brian Matoy. Seahawks. That's going to Jesse O. And the last one is for the 49ers. Joe Williams. Patch autograph. No numbering on that, but that is going to Daniel.
All right, I just took 15% off the Royals. They're 42.49 now. Tonight only.
There you go, guys. That was the break. That was Origins Football. 2-box break number 17. Number 18 will be in the store. 10buckbreaks.com. I'm Jason. See you guys next time.